Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick video on some beautiful food, and it's called collard greens. Collard greens, and I saute it, and I put a little bit of garlic in there, salt, pepper. You can add spices and all what have you. You can add chicken or anything like that. This is just by itself, and again I do it in a saute pan. Very simple. I use olive oil, and sometimes I use onions. And you just saute it. I cover it up. I use a little bit of spring water, maybe a eighth of a cup of spring water, and let it steam a little bit. But I don't want to overcook it. I just want to make it limp, but have a little crunch to it. Okay. The this here is a shredded product I get, collard greens. It's inexpensive. What is this? This is a 5 pound, almost a 5 pound bag, and fiber, just some beautiful material. Calorie, zero fat, low carb, fiber, all the beautiful things you need. When you need some beautiful greens, is collard greens. All right, and I sprinkle on some of my salt, pepper, and also some fresh parmesan cheese. Okay, and you have some olive oil. I use an extra virgin, and boy, what a delicious treat. Greens are good for your health. Okay, guys, just wanted to share with you a little dish I made, and enjoy.